Hey guys, it's Angel here. Welcome back to our channel. We have another totally lit adventure for you. If you're planning a trip and looking for something super cool to see, you've got to check out the Alhambra in Granada, Spain. This place isn't just some old building. It's a massive castle with awesome stories hidden in every corner. But first, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell too. Let's make sure you don't miss out on our next big adventure, alright? Cool, let's get into it. First up, the Alhambra looks like it's straight out of a fairy tale. It's got this amazing red color. Well, that's actually what Alhambra means, the red one. And when the sun sets, the walls look like they're glowing. It's like watching a giant ruby light up. And with those snowy mountains in the background, it's totally Instagram worthy. It's a treasure trove of stories and secrets, built way back in the Middle Ages. It was a crib of the Moorish kings. Bruh, they really knew how to live in style. Every hall, tower, and courtyard in this place could fill a history book with tales of ancient rulers and their epic legends. When you're wandering through, you'll notice the insane attention to detail. We're talking about ceilings that look like starry skies, thanks to all the intricate woodwork, and walls of delicate carvings telling stories you'd think were straight out of magic books. It's like every inch of the place was designed to make your jaw drop. And here's something else. The vibe changes with the time of day. So whether you're a history geek, an art fan, or just looking for some cool spots for your feet, the Alhambra Palace is a good place to start. Next, you gotta check out the Generalife in Alhambra. This place is like a hidden paradise that totally will blow your mind. Imagine stepping into a world right out of a fantasy book. Everywhere you look, there's something awesome. From the insanely cool architecture to the gardens that look like they're straight out of a fairy tale. Walking through Generalife is like being in a dream. The gardens are so lush and green, it's like nature's own party, and the air smells like a mix of flowers, water from the fountains, and pure magic. You can almost feel history seeping through the walls, and those views, seriously, your Insta stories won't even need a filter. The Alhambra in the background with its ancient walls and towers makes you feel like you're walking through time. Now imagine walking through the palaces that look like they're covered in lace, but is actually super detailed carvings. The Nasrid palaces inside are the real deal. They were where big shot sultans and kings lived way back in the day. Every corner you turn, there's something epic to see. Especially the Court of Lions is famous for its marble lions and cool fountains. But it's not just about the buildings. The gardens are out of this world. Think rows of bright flowers, bubbling fountains, and these long shady pathways where you can chill and snap some great selfies. What makes Alhambra extra special is how it's like a time machine back to when Christian, Muslims, and Jews lived together. Each part of the castle tells their part of the story. So if you like this video and are keen on exploring more epic places, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your travel buddies. Remember that if you're up for an adventure, you'll want to explore a place where every wall, garden, and path has a story. The Alhambra is where it's at. Trust me, your TikTok and Insta stories are going to look amazing with this place in the background.